We will solve the equation 4 to the x minus 3 to the x equals 37 using a transparent, step-by-step, guess and check plan. Step 1. Write the equation. Step 2. Check a few integer values using a tiny table for quick visual cues. Step 3. Conclude the solution once we hit 37. Here is our compact table. Columns are x, 4 to the x, 3 to the x, and the difference 4 to the x minus 3 to the x. First row, when x equals 1, for minus 3 equals 1, too small. Second row, when x equals 2, 16 minus 9 equals 7, still small. Third row is the key. When x equals 3, 64 minus 27 equals 37. Bingo! For completeness, at x equals 4, the difference jumps to 175, which is far too big. The table shows the exact match at x equals 3. Let us verify directly by substitution. 4 to the third power minus 3 to the third power equals 64 minus 27, which equals 37. Therefore, x equals... Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.